How to insert pictures from Google in PowerPoint. So first of all, we have to download some pictures from Google. For that, open up Google in your device. Now in the search bar, search for your required pictures. For example, if you want to add the pictures of flower, search for flower pictures free download. Now once you have searched for it, you will have various links in your interface. So you can go to this first link, that is www.pixels.com, from where you can download the pictures for free. So open it up or click on it. Scroll down a bit. Now you'll have varieties of images of the flowers. So from here, choose according to your preferences and then simply download the pictures in your device. This picture is already downloaded. If you want to add another picture, you can go back and download some more pictures. Once you have downloaded your required pictures from Google, now to add it in your PowerPoint, all you have to do is close this and open a PowerPoint in your device. Now you can simply choose the blank presentation, or if you have already created some presentations, you can open that up as well. For now, let's get with the blank presentation. Once you're here, now you have to click on the section where you want to add the pictures. Now, once you have selected this area, navigate to this menu bar or toolbar at the top. From there, go to Insert. Once you're here, now click on Pictures. Then, since we have already downloaded the pictures from Google to our device, so select the first option, that is this device. Here, go to the downloads and there you can find all your pictures that you have downloaded recently. Choose the picture and then click on Insert. There you go, now the pictures is inserted. Now with the help of this, you can resize your picture and then move it wherever you like to place it in your presentation. You can resize it to the size you want and then place it wherever you like. And in the same way, you can add other pictures as well. So that's how you can add pictures from Google in presentation or in PowerPoint. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.